The Smart Home Network, optimizing low-latency Wi-Fi and 5G for mobile web performance. Our home networks are busier than ever with smart devices and streaming slowing mobile browsing. While high speeds help with downloads, low latency delivers a faster, smoother web experience. Optimize your network for better performance. Wi-Fi 6 uses OFDMA and MU-MIMO to reduce congestion and latency, while 5G can face interference from walls, weather, and peak hour traffic. For the most stable, low-latency connection, Wi-Fi 6 with fiber remains the gold standard. Wi-Fi 6 can still suffer from latency and packet loss. QoS prioritizes web browsing, video calls, and interactive apps over large downloads, reducing buffer bloat and keeping mobile devices fast and responsive during heavy network use. A fast network cannot help if your mobile browser struggles with modern websites built on HTML5, CSS3, and heavy JavaScript. A bloated browser or low system memory can cause input lag, making taps and interactions feel delayed. Keep your mobile browser fast by updating it, closing unused tabs, clearing cache and cookies, and limiting background data for unused apps. These steps reduce clutter and free resources, helping your device process data faster and maximize your low-latency connection. Standard speed tests show peak speeds, not real-time performance. Interactive HTML5 apps like Bally Casino can reveal latency, packet loss, jitter, and command lag. Wi-Fi 6 with QoS should deliver smooth performance, while online gaming should always remain safe and responsible.
Go to GearBrain for more information.